Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a mega giveaway going on today, and we're giving away tons of watch faces. We said 45 plus, but we come to find out that it's actually more than 45 watch faces that we're going to be giving away. So I'm going to ask for your patience in the door, but before we say anything else, we got to thank SMZ for the love and the support and for the donation of all these watch faces that he has given us. Now, we also went out and asked for the watch faces for the different countries because he sent me a whole truckload of watch faces for the US, and he sent me some watch faces, right? He sent me some watch faces for some different countries. We're gonna name them off, right? And you're gonna see why I want you to be patient with me with these watch faces, because I got tons and tons more than the 45 plus that I told you about. Okay, so what I want you to do, if you could, go to SMZ's page, leave a comment, thank him, let him know what you thought about the watch faces, and whatever else you could do to support this guy, because what he has done, understand, is phenomenal. Again, thank you, SMZ. Now, with that being said, this guy, I asked him for a few watch faces, right, for the other countries, and I thought he was gonna send me 2 here, 3 there for the different countries, because I gave him the list of countries that I got thus far that support. Japan was one, of course, Canada, the UK, India. And let me run down the list of watch faces that this guy gave me in the door for the different countries. Now, Canada, and all these watch faces are 9 per country, right? We got Canada, we got the UK, we got India. He gave me some for Japan. Japan is in the building. We got Mexico, we got the UK, we got South Africa. Now, if there's anybody from South Africa and you want a free watch face, listen, tell your people, hit me up in my email, leave your name of your country so I know it's you, and I'm gonna send you some watch faces, people. I'm telling you, this guy's off the chain. Now, he's giving me watch faces for, well, he's giving me other watch faces other than just one, right? So India's back in the building again. Then we got more for Japan. We got more for Mexico. We got some for New Zealand. So if you're from New Zealand, or if you know anybody from New Zealand, let them know we got free watch faces to give away. Get my email me so I can send them to you. We got Canada again for another watch face. We got United Kingdom, and the list just keeps going on and on. And I'm steady scrolling. I haven't stopped yet. So I have tons and tons of watch faces to give away, and it's gonna take some time to get to at least the overseas people, because they got 2 watch faces opposed to the US. In US, you know, you're always getting taken care of. We got you, don't worry about it. Everybody is a winner on the channel. Now, what we want to do is we want to go over the names on the list that we have so far, and this is for the USA, right? And so we're gonna start off with, we got OZ Bell, we got Jackie, we got Kryptonia, we got Usman, we got Robert Noblet, we got Kendrick, we got Daryl Gray, we got Arthur, we got Toby, we got Glenn, we also got Reed Cartwell, we got Adrian, my man Adrian, we got Scott Norris, we got June Back, we also got Anthony Trice, Prin Jess, Lori, and we also got C. Foy Sr., we got Sean Roberts, we got Sonia McMillan, and we got William Pierce, along with Johnny Jenkins and Tammy. We got Tammy. I didn't get Tammy's name. I believe Tammy is from the US as well. But listen, people, I got tons of watch faces. We're gonna start off with this list. We're gonna do it on my lunch break. We're gonna do it on my break. And every little time I got, understand, I'm gonna start nibbling away at watch faces. I'm gonna start sending them out to you. So this is gonna be over a course of days. I want you to be patient with me. I want you to understand what I'm dealing with. And I wanna thank you all for being supportive. I wanna thank you all for taking care of the developers. I wanna definitely thank you all for always supporting the channel. Again, everybody's a winner on the channel. This is the biggest giveaway ever. The other thing that is a milestone is, never have I gotten 55 comments on one video at one time. I thought that was awesome. So definitely you really like the watch faces that was being shown that day, along with the fact that we had 45 plus watch faces to give away. Now, know this, we got another mega giveaway coming up. We're gonna have to hold off for a while, right? We're gonna find out when they expire, because it's another mega giveaway, right? It's not like I'm giving away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watch faces. I got another 18 watch faces to give away, right? So with that being said, again, be patient with me. And again, I want to thank you all for all the love. Thank you for always keeping me lifted and supported at all times. All right, you all, I got to go. I got to send this video out, and I got another video to do. Again, I love you all for all that you do. Hit the like button down below on your way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this. And hit the notification bell. It should be right there at the top so you can be notified when I drop more videos on the channel. And with that, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care, and have a nice night. See you at the next one.